KDO89 St. Louis, Missouri, operating on a frequency of 162.550 megahertz. We broadcast from the National Weather Service office in St. Louis, Missouri, and serve St. Louis and surrounding areas. Here is your National Weather Service forecast for the St. Louis metropolitan area, including the cities of St. Louis, St. Charles, Belleville, and surrounding communities. Rest of today, mostly cloudy.
This is a test of the NOAA weather radio alarm. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated by these tones to warn you of the impending hazards. Tests are normally conducted every Wednesday around 11 a.m. On days with severe weather in the area, the test may be canceled. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated only for warnings and watches affecting the following counties. In the KDO89 listening area, Madison, Illinois, Monroe, Illinois, St. Clair, Illinois, Franklin, Missouri, Jefferson, Missouri, Lincoln, Missouri, St. Charles, Missouri, St. Louis, Missouri, Warren, Missouri, and St. Louis City. If your receiver is tone activated, it should be reset after this test. This concludes the test for this week. Thank you.
Here is your National Weather Service forecast for the St. Louis metropolitan area, including